All right, today we're going to take a look at a vintage Panasonic. This is like a 1980s, mid to late 80s air conditioner. I got this off the street. I got it a couple weeks ago, but it's been really cold here and raining every day, so I haven't been able to test anything. It's in good shape. It's missing the door here, and the filter's kind of cracked up on the edges, but should still be usable. Alright, they already loosened the grill here. Let's take that off. It's really dirty. There's your label. It's an 8000. It's made in Malaysia. There's a lot of bugs on me here. There we go. Yeah, let's turn it on. Let's see. There's the fan. Ugh, it's really dirty. A little cool. Compressor's on. Yeah, this runs beautiful. This is one of my favorite air conditioner models. It's actually the favorite of mine. I think this is one of the best air conditioners you can get. Super quiet, smooth. Can't really see that compressor, but I'm pretty sure it's a Matsushita. Yeah, they just run fantastic. Super quiet. All right. I like the styling on the grill too. Right, that's low. Yeah, you got low, medium, high, and then there's just one fan speed. You get that timer, which I'm not really sure how to use. It's medium. It's high. The fan's not super strong on this, but it's, you know, it's plenty good enough. It's very quiet, the fan. Just all around great air conditioner. So, there you go. Yeah, I really like this model, Panasonic. All right. See you next time.